Yeah, it's live now.
Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Good morning po. Good
Morning.
evening.
Good
Good
morning.
afternoon. Good
Good
evening.
afternoon. Good evening.
From wherever you are in the world. Yes, this is Empower Team. We are kicking off 2025 with our first live guest. And yes, welcome to our very live chat for 2025. I'm your host, Cheryl, and I'm thrilled to kick off the new year with such an empowered and inspiring community of women all over the world. And this year is all about prosperity, growth, and success. And what a better way to start than by featuring an amazing guest of embodies all that and more. So tonight, Paul, we're honored and thrilled to have with us our coach Daisy Legasa, a talented pastry chef, a dedicated mom, and a successful digital business owner. So, and she's all the way from Ireland. So Daisy's journey is nothing short of inspiring, uh, and I can't wait for her to show or her to share her story, her insights, and tips on how she balance it all. So yes, all get comfortable and grab your favorite drink, and let's dive into the exciting conversation. So yes, hello Daisy, welcome, welcome. We're so happy to have you here.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me. I'm so grateful for every one of you here. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you. Shall I start?
Yes, yes. Could you, let's start by knowing about your background. If you could share us your background, sis.
Sure. Yeah, as I've said, my name is Daisy and I'm Irish by choice and a Filipina by heart. And I am a mom of three gorgeous kids. I'm a former pastry chef. For years, I work in the culinary world and I love my job, don't get me wrong, but the long hours and traveling in and out, which took about half an hour, 1 hour and a half each day, made it hard to balance work and family. So, yeah, after my third child, I wanted to spend more time with my kids and still contribute financially. So that's when I came across an opportunity um, to start a digital business. So since then, I've been able to create a better balance. And being in this business has taught me personal growth, especially in mindset development. So, yeah.
Amazing, sis. So, second question is about your family life. So, how do you balance being a mom, a pastry chef, and a digital business owner?
Yeah. So, balancing everything takes planning, right? But it's possible, and I use pockets of my time for my business, like during in between school runs and housework, or even during my break at work when I was still a pastry chef. The great thing is that this business doesn't need all my attention, right? So as you know, so I can focus on my family or the things that really matters. And for example, attending my kids' sports activities takes a lot of time, right? From driving them to training sessions to cheering them on at matches. So I'm so grateful that this business gives me the flexibility to do all that while it keeps running in the background. So yeah.
Right. Thank you, sis. So, we all know that you're a pastry chef, right? And ano na mahirap itong trabaho. So what inspired you to transition from, the culinary world to starting an online business?
Yeah, my family, obviously. So they inspired me the most. I love my job, but it required so much of my time, as I mentioned, between working in the kitchen and traveling to and from work. I was already spending, like I mentioned, an hour and a half on the road daily. So, well, 3 times a week. And it was tiring, right? And I realized I was missing out on precious moments with my kids. So, like I mentioned, when I saw this opportunity, um, that I could work from home, I thought this could be my chance to create the life I've ever wanted for my family. So, yeah, my family is my first inspiration.
Cool, that's cool. Yeah, so uh, I mean, it's not easy, isn't it? From culinary world down to online business, and you didn't have any experience with business, and you did manage to start it and make it grow, isn't it, sis? And now you're a successful online business owner, which is really, really amazing. So let's get on with the fourth question. Uh, who else? Who? So the fourth question is the challenges naman. So we know that sometimes we ing- nararanasan natin yung mga biggest challenges in our lives. So when you start a digital business, so how did you overcome this? Being a mom and without any business experience. So how did you overcome these challenges?
Yeah, there's a few challenges, right? One challenge was my partner being a bit skeptical at first, right? Which I completely understand. So when you don't know much about the business, it's easy to have doubts, right? But over time, as he saw how it worked and the result it brought, um, he became more supportive. Personally, I wasn't afraid to fail, right? Because I had big faith in this business. It's proven to work and it's already changing lives for thousands of people. And of course, with my determination and the support of our community, our mentors and coaches, and of course accountability partners, I was able to stay consistent and overcome those challenges. So yeah.
Right. Thank you, sis. Sister Lisa, do you have any questions to ask our coach Daisy?
Yes. Hello, Coach Daisy. So my next question for you today is it's about the support system. So I just want to know. We just want to know how did your family and friends reacted to your decision on your decision on starting your online business. Were they very supportive?
Well, as I've mentioned, at first my partner he was skeptical and he became supportive once he saw how serious I am on this business and how this works. So I was and how the business was working. Yeah. So some of friends were unsure also, right, at first, which is normal when something is new. But
Mm,
not as much support I got, but maybe they're just so skeptical, right? As
yeah,
for someone that won't know the business, they would be skeptical. But
yeah,
yeah, a few of them supports obviously, and which is normal for some. But the support I receive from our amazing community, like I said, You all know this, right? We have our
Yeah.
mentors and
Yeah.
coaches, as I mentioned again. And yeah, we have the masterminds and all these Zoom calls and trainings we have. It made it all the difference, right? And over time, my family and friends became uh, more supportive as they saw some results. So yeah, my real family, like sisters and my parents, they're so supportive on my journey also. So
Yeah.
even a simple support like sharing and commenting on my page, so really that I appreciate that support that they have given me. So yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Kasi there's a lot of people that they're not yet they don't know about this digital business yet, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So a lot of us are really very skeptical. So like me and my family as well. So they are very supportive as well. Pero yung parang they don't know about this digital business before. So
Yeah.
that's yeah. So my next question is about your daily routines. So can you just give us a little bit of insights, what your typical day look like for you now? So like managing both your digital business and your personal responsibilities, yeah, your family. So how do you can you just give a little uh, tip, a little bit of insights for us and our audience?
Yeah, sure. So my day starts with getting my kids ready for school, as usual, like moms out there can resonate. So while they're at school, as I mentioned, I use pockets of my time for my business, checking messages, answering queries, or posting ads or posting on our social media platforms, making contents. So while also doing housework or spending time with my um my youngest is already in school now as well. So yeah, so those things I can work in between and even do my housework. While doing my housework, I listen to masterminds or replays, which is so amazing, right? That we can catch up on things that we miss on live events. So it's really helpful. So yeah, um, if I have coaching calls or Zoom meetings or masterminds book, I schedule those accordingly, right? So like at this moment, I'm chatting with you or doing live interviews, live sessions. So so that's one of them as well. So in the evenings, I might spend time mentoring or learning myself. Go back to training and do some meditation or gratitude journaling. Sometimes I do it in the morning when the kids are gone to school. So yeah, the flexibility of this business allows me to handle everything without feeling overwhelmed, and automation ensures my business runs smoothly and even when I'm busy, right?
Mm,
And yeah, that's pretty much it. My
yeah,
routine.
amazing. So
Amazing.
yeah.
Yes.
So my last question to you, sis, I have this last question before yeah, about your because you were a pastry chief, you said, isn't it? So meron ka ba yung skills from your career as a pastry chef has helped you in running your online business?
Yeah, absolutely. Being a pastry chef, right, taught me patience, attention to detail, because you have to be consistent with or very detailed on how many grams of this flour, sugar, etc. You
Yeah,
have to measure everything, right? So you have to be
true.
so detailed and consistent. So all of are those crucial in a running business, right? You have to be consistent as well and be
Yeah,
patient. There's no overnight success in here, and you need to be consistent and be patient and put your effort, time, and all that, especially at the beginning, right? So like I mentioned, this business requires time and dedication.
Yeah.
And when you're especially when you're setting up your business, right? So, but usually it takes up to 2 weeks. It depends how much um, time you put into it. The training usually takes up uh, over 2 weeks, or depends. Like, so, but once you're established your foundation in this business, your website and all, um, the rest becomes easier, right? And you have your
Mhm.
routine and doing things. You can just, the workflow is
Yeah,
easier. So yeah, success doesn't happen overnight,
it
but
is indeed.
staying
Yeah.
committed is very rewarding.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
You're
true.
right from there. Yeah. So
Yes.
thank you so much for answering my question, sis. So over now to my ay mga ka-empower women ko. So whoever who is next asking you a question now.
Yes, sis. Yes. Just noticed that Sis Malu are able to come and join us. Hello, Sister Malu. And
Hello,
yes,
hello.
Hello,
kamusta?
So
hello.
Yeah.
Nakahabol.
Yes.
Nakakabot ko. Yes,
So medyo meron ka bang like questions to Coach Daisy that we want to know?
yeah, meron nag-resonate agad sa akin about sa skeptical husband. Ano po yung ginawa niyo? Like, how are you able to get a support system despite having a skeptical? Kasi napaka-importante yung, di ba, yung support system, ika nga. And how are you able to do it in this business?
yeah, I suppose you know, I keep doing what I'm doing, and I just showed up every day. And there's
Yeah.
this one quote that I really love. If you really want to do something, you have to go and do it. Just go and do it, and don't let others stop you from doing it. And that sticks to my mind or my head that yes, I want to do this business, and I know it works, and it's working for so many people in our community. So yeah, I think that helped. And
Mm-hmm.
of course the result, I know it's not that much yet, but there is results. And I'd say he saw some progress in my personality, and I've grown so much because of the trainings, and especially the mindset, right? It's not
Yeah.
all about the money or
Yeah.
earnings or whatever it is,
Right.
but I definitely see some progress, personal growth, and the mindset. And oh my goodness, and we get all these trainings for free, right?
Mm-hmm. That's true.
And that's
Yeah.
the beauty about it.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, thanks. By the way, nice to meet you, Coach Daisy. I'm Malu. I'm based from Canada. I'm
Nice
glad
to meet you
I'm glad
too.
I made it with this Empower. So
True.
yeah, and just one last piece of advice for those moms or dads or whoever, single bachelors or even mga students na gustong mag-start ng business nila. What advice would you give them?
Yeah, my advice would be to believe in yourself. Um, take that first step. It's okay to feel unsure, right? It's so normal. When you don't know anything, especially the online world, it's it really make people skeptical about, or made people unsure about it. So, but yeah, it's okay to feel unsure, but you'll never know what's possible unless you try, right?
Exactly.
This
Tama.
business requires time and consistency, as I mentioned, your dedication, especially at the beginning, but it's worth it. If you're someone who's looking to, supplement your current income, or even want to work from home, or seeking time, freedom, whatever your reason might be, yeah, my advice is I also would like to invite to check our webinar, right? It's complimentary. We have live sessions every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So this is global, so you can check your time zones. And there's also a replay available for you to watch at your convenience. So once you register on our websites, your name and email, you'll have access with, to our replay. So yeah,
Mhm.
just take action. That's all. There's no it's now or never. Just put it that way.
Yeah, I agree. Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's
Thanks for
right.
answering. Yeah. All right, back to you, host. Si Cheryl.
Yes, so thank you, Sis Daisy, for sharing some of your insights, about this online business. We still have a few more questions to ask, like, about motivation. Because alam naman natin, no, mahirap talaga ma-motivate kung lalong-lalo na kung you are a single mom or, you are only doing the business on your own. So, like yourselves, this coach, how do you motivate yourself, doing this business, despite the challenges that you face, from your family, from your, skeptical husband, from, and friends as well. So,
Yeah.
how do you motivate yourself?
Well, first thing, my biggest motivation, I always go back to my why. Why did I start this business, right?
Mhm.
And of course, my biggest motivation are my kids, and I want to give them a better life and be there for their special moments. My oldest is already 14, and way back years ago when I didn't do this business yet, I missed so much, so many milestones. Like even there's one, was it her first birthday when I started my job as a pastry chef? And it was a Saturday, and I asked my boss, "Can I take that off?" And she said, "No." And I was like, my heart was like, really? I can't even ask a day off for my first daughter's birthday.
Oh,
And it broke my heart. And
yeah,
you know,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
we just work for someone else, and
Mhm.
can relate. Yeah.
we can't our time, we don't own our time, right, if you work for someone else. So yeah,
Mhm.
that's that. And I'd want to be there for my kids, for every moments, or even their, being there for them, for the training, and to support them in whatever they do. So yeah, also seeing how this business is helping, not just my family, but also helping others, keeps me inspired. And being able to mentor others and see them succeed is incredibly rewarding. And yeah, in earning four figures is a bonus, right? But the real reward is the time freedom and flexibility it gives. So yeah.
Yes, true, sis. Yes. So we still have some more. Sister Fair, are you still there?
Yes, yes, I'm still here.
Yes. Would you like to ask some
Yes, I
questions?
yes, I have a questions for you, Coach. First, thank you for having us today here to share your journey. My questions is about the benefits. What are the biggest benefits you've experienced since starting your digital business?
There's a few. So the biggest one is time freedom. The I can attend my kids' school events, as I mentioned, sports activities, and other milestones without feeling rushed, or asking my boss, your boss, or whoever you work with, or work for. And yeah, financially, it has provided stability and opportunities for my family. And on top of that, like I mentioned, personal growth I've experienced, and especially in mindset and confidence. So yeah, it has been life changing. So
All
that's
right. This business really gives a lot of benefits to all the people that wanted change to gain freedom for themselves. And my next questions is about the future goals. What are your future goals for your digital business, and how do you plan to achieve them?
yeah. Good question. My goal is to continue growing my business globally, of course, and help more families start their own digital business or journeys. And yeah, I plan to achieve this by staying consistent and mentoring others and learning through, the support of our community. Like we have a lot of support and lots of what you call it, stuff that we can use to help more people. We have masterminds, as I've mentioned, and trainings, and yeah, that's my goal.
All right. Thank you, Coach. Back to you, Sis She.
Yes, thank you, Sis Fe. So Sis Daisy has mentioned about this, consistency and the having the right mindset, to be on the ball on this business. So I think we have Sister Cherry that can want to ask some questions about that. Sister Cherry. Are you there?
There's no sound.
You're muted po.
Sis Cherry, you're muted.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Coach Daisy. Thank you. She is always with us, regardless of she is the best business partners we have in our team. And I know that uh, even how difficult it is, we are still here, continuing and being consistent in our business. So, it's because of this goal, I would like to ask Sis Daisy, how do you see this digital business impacting your family's future?
Yeah, so this business is building me a secure future for my family, right? So also, it's not just about financial stability, it's about the freedom to spend time with them and create memories, because time flies, and the next thing you know, they're already 18 years old, and they will be living on their own or by themselves, or they go to college, and there will be nobody here. So that's my thing that I really wanted to to have, to spend time with them. And I can also pass down this business to my children, and up to the third generation. So it's a legacy that will benefit my family for years to come.
It's
Yeah.
true. It's true. That's why we are here in this business, because it's not just today. We're thinking about our family future, that we can hand in this business to our family.
Mhm.
Yes, it's a good business, really, to think about. So I have two more questions. This is about how how the public perceive us. Did you encounter some questions about you know if they are curious about your journey, and how you usually respond to them, and you will say why you started this business, um and how you do it. So it's just kind of curiosity of the people to ask you these questions. So how
Yeah.
you
So
respond to them?
yeah, there's a good few questions that frequently asked questions people ask for those of the people who's been, the curious about the business. So one of the most common questions is, how do this business work? So I would answer them. It works by, our business works by promoting high ticket digital products through our proven system. So we partner with well-established company with 50 years of experience. Our system handles 90% of the work for us, or yeah, and all we have to do is focus in is on the remaining 10%. So that is building our brand and promoting through social media. And yeah, that's my answer for that question, because of course they are skeptical and they ask questions, and sometimes you really have to give them those answers. So another question also is that, do I need prior experience or tech skills to get started? And of course, I would say not at all, because I myself, no experience on this. I was working in the kitchen for most of my, career job, and business is not my thing, especially in the online world. But our business is a beginner friendly, right? The step-by-step training we have and the support from our mentors and coaches, it makes it easy to follow. And even if you're not tech savvy at all, when I started this business, I didn't even know how to copy and paste, right? And you learn as you go along. And as I mentioned, our training is there and it's world class, and it's updated every single day. If there's, the internet is so huge at the moment, right? There's always updates, and especially with the latest thing, the AI, and nobody knows about it, right? But we have lots of trainings about it and how to use it to, to leverage the online world. So yeah.
Mhm. So, in short, our community really help us, in building our own digital business. Our community is very important to us. So we know that they play a big role in our success because of the training that we have, our our community engaging to each other. Like us here, this is only
Mhm.
like a 1% of the community that we branches because we want to
Exactly.
help one another, in a small group. So um I know you answered already the question of how important has the digital business community been to your success, and what role does it play in your daily life. So here they are always there. We can hang on to them, right? Yeah, we can hang on to our business partner all the time in our community. They're a big impact how to grow in our business. So any additional questions, Sis Malo? Can you do the an honor to do the closing? I'm very thankful for Coach Daisy, because we know that she's always with us. Every time we message, I message that we if he can share the updates about the community, because he is the coach, so he had more knowledge what's going on inside the community, any updates. So, Sis Malu, can you give our closing if you don't have question anymore? Anything? We can ask Sis Daisy, but Sis Malu can give the whole conclusion.
Yes, gusto ko sana tanungin, what's your specialty sa being a pastry chef? Anong ano natin diyan? Anong
Okay,
specialty
that's
natin diyan?
nice.
Okay.
Not because I wanted to buy, but
Yeah.
I'm just curious.
Well, we have different, I can see the difference, right? Yung mga delicacies natin, iba yung mga Pinoy style natin or iba din dito. So,
Right.
one of my favorites na I really like here, I'm not that sweet tooth, right? the Irish people are very sweet tooth. They eat like sugar every single day, sweets, cakes, pastries, etc. But one of my favorites is fruit and cream sponge because obviously fruit, most of it are fruits. There's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, pears, mandarins, and all those kind of good stuff. And the cream and the plain sponge, and it combines and it complements really perfectly. So that's one of my favorites.
Wow, nakakatakam naman yan at
I know.
nakakagutom.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you. Thank you for your time, Coach Daisy. And thank you for sharing your incredible journey with us today. And of course, para sa mga nag-i-inspire dyan na mag-transition from culinary to the online business or kung ano mang industry kayo kasi this is global. We've got different people from different walks of life and different industries. Doctor ka man, engineer, teacher, even housewives. It doesn't matter. Thanks for inspiring us and for the heartfelt stories of how you balance also your family life and this online business, and of course the wisdom that you gave are truly motivating. So sa mga viewers natin, mga million viewers, naks, sa mga nanonood dyan, hopefully may napulot tayo mga lessons galing kay Coach Daisy based from her experiences na nag-ignite at least ng spark within you to, of course, to pursue your dreams and embrace change and build the life of purpose. Ika nga, hindi lang, it's not all about money. It's about yung mindset natin, yung growth, ika nga, personally, and always remember, there's always challenges and there's always kahit anong problems. These are all stepping stones, ika nga, and of course, with the right support system and mindset, we can achieve anything. And yeah, thank you so much, Coach Daisy, for being with us today. And it's really an honor to, to be in this empowered women group as well.
Any last words, Coach Daisy? Advice to
Thank you
us?
so much. It's my pleasure to be here with all of you lovely ladies on your, empowered beginnings for this year. Oh my goodness, well done. And yeah, let's all keep going because our system is proven. Our system is a gold mine. Our business, right? This is the thing that I learned in our community also, that yeah, we have the gold mine. All we have to do is just get our shovel and dig. We have the shovels also, right? We have the system. That's one of the tools that we can use to dig the golds. So yeah, anything in life is, challenging, right? And same as here in the business. And those challenges are the stepping stones, right? For us to succeed. And we all see the successful people like earning millions. They're all millionaires now, right? Lots of them. And as they say, if they can do it, so can we. So yeah,
Yes.
let's keep going.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Everyone. All
Yes,
right.
guys. So remember, success is within reach when we support each other and take bold steps towards our dreams. So stay tuned for more exciting live chats. Until next time. So stay inspired. Keep reaching out po. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section. And we will be happy to answer all your questions. So yes, connect with us, and yes, have a good 2025.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
Bye. Thank you, Sis Stacy.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye.